GCash Send Money. How to send money from GCash to Landbank. And if you're new to this channel and you want more helpful videos like this, please click the subscribe button. First, open your GCash app on your phone and enter your MPIN to sign in. And here's my GCash. So mag-transfer ako ng pera from my GCash account to Landbank. So I'll tap send money and click send to bank. Ito yung list ng banks na pwede mong paglipatan ng pera. So andito na agad yung Landbank. Kung gusto mo makita yung lahat ng list ng banks na pwede mong paglipatan ng pera, click this view all. And ito na yung mga bangko na yon na pwede mong paglipatan from GCash. So marami dito. Yung mga local banks pa na hindi nakalist kanina. So balik tayo sa view ko kanina and click this Landbank. And enter the money here like 1,000. And account name, ito yung owner na paglipatan ng pera. Account number of Landbank. Yung mga Landbank account numbers, 10 digit yan. So i-enter natin dito. Reminder lang, dapat i-double check or i-triple check mo yung account number na paglilipatan mo dito ng pera. Kung mali yung account number, kailangan pang iparefund yun sa GCash. Kailangan pang i-report sa kanila para mabalik sa yung pera. And I'm not sure kung maging successful yun. And enter here the email address. Optional lang naman to, pero mas magandang maglagay ka na rin ng email address. Click send money. And this is powered by InstaPay, so dapat real time yung pag-transfer from GCash to other local bank. And click confirm. Your bank transfer is being processed. So makaka-receive daw ako ng SMS or email to confirm this transaction. And ito yung reference number ko. So, mahalaga na i-take note mo lagi yung reference number mo whenever you're doing transaction with GCash. Para pag mag-raise ka ng issue, pwede mong gamitin yung reference number na yun. And also, naka-receive na rin ako ng text na na-transfer na nga yung pera from GCash to Landbank. So, I'll click this OK. And, nabawasan na ng 1,000 yung pera ko. So, naging 25 pesos na lang pala. So, nandito ako sa Landbank account ko. Gusto kong malaman kung real-time nga siya. So, I'll click this account summary and naging 1,700 pesos siya. Kanina, 700 pesos lang to and ngayon naging 1,700 na to. And that's it. Nakapag-transfer ako from GCash to Landbank. Free yung pag-transfer and also real-time din yung pagpasa ng pera. And sana nakatulong tong video na to. Please let us know by clicking the like button. These are other videos on how to send your money online. And also, if you're interested, you may check these videos on how to grow your money. And this is Lou from Invest Library. Until next time, bye-bye!